How to refill using the new ink bottle design for HP SmartTank, InkTank, and DeskJet printers. Recently, HP has changed the design to our ink bottles. Follow these steps to properly refill the ink in your printer using the new bottle design. First, remove the ink bottle from its packaging. Open the Ink Access door on your printer. Depending on your specific model, the ink tanks might be located on the front, side, or top of your printer. Flip open the cap to the ink tank you want to fill and retrieve the corresponding color ink bottle. Using caution not to squeeze the bottle, twist and pull off the cap. Turn the ink bottle upside down and then set it on the ink tank spout. Without squeezing, allow the ink to drain into the ink tank on its own. Remove and discard the empty ink bottle and then close the ink tank cap. Repeat the filling process for the remaining ink tanks that are low on your printer. Close the ink tank caps when you are done filling and then close the ink access door. The ink tanks on your printer have been refilled and you are now ready to print again. If there is still any ink remaining in the ink bottles, you can reseal the caps and set them aside in a cool, dry place for future use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.